Hope you all are fine. A warm welcome to you all in this new academic year. I know you all are very happy because you all are promoted to grade 3. I am also very happy to have you all in my class. Have you ever imagined of having such type of free opening? You all sitting in your house and your teacher in this frame. But what to do? We have to follow this new schooling for some days. Some days we will learn in this way only. Okay, before starting anything, I will introduce myself. My name is Reena Teacher, your class teacher for this academic year. Okay, now we will learn my name one more time by clapping the hand. Come on, everybody, clap your hand 3 times. Like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reena Teacher. Okay, you have to say after clapping my name. Are you all ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reena Teacher. Very good. So you all know my name. Now it's time for you all. Now again I'll be clapping, but this time instead of my name, you should say your name very loudly so that from your house I should hear it. Are you all ready? Yay! We are going to clap now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Your name. Very good. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Your name. Very good. Before telling a story, today I will tell you just a small story. But before telling a story, I would like to ask you a small riddle. Okay. So are you all ready for your riddle? Okay. Yes, it's a riddle time. I am curved, but I am not a bridge. I am colorful, but I am not a parrot. I am found during the rainy season, but I am not a cloud. Who am I? Socho, come on, think. You all know. They? Okay, one more clue I'll give you. I have many colors inside me. They children are guessing. Very true. Say loudly. Yes, it's a rainbow. So beautiful rainbow. Whenever rainbow is in the sky, I can't take my eyes out of the rainbow. I keep admiring it, adoring it. My favorite thing in the whole earth is a rainbow. So I thought I'll introduce you to this beautiful rainbow with many colors. Here you must be thinking a small box with alphabets inside. Okay, what is this? This is Vibgyor. I have written what? Vibgyor. It is related to this rainbow. Come on, you can match it. The colors you can match. V for violet. I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. To remember the colors, we have a small shortcut. So, when you want to color a rainbow, just think about the word Vibgyor and you can color it perfectly. Okay, now we will go to the small story session. Today I am going to teach you a story about the girl and the rainbow. Now don't think that the girl and the rainbow, that is something fight is going on or something. Let's see what's happening in this story. There was a girl and her name was Marina. This girl was little crazy for rain. She used to love rain so much. Whenever the pitter-patter raindrop fall, she used to rush out of the house, leaving all her work aside, keeping whatever interesting thing she does, important thing she does, homework she does, she'll keep it aside and run out of the house to play in the rain. She used to sing, she used to dance, she used to jump in the puddle, she used to least bother about her dress if it gets dirty also. She used to spin in the rain, catch the water, splash the water. Marina was so crazy about the rain, but suddenly one day she saw many streaks of color which was in the shape of a bow, in the shape of a bridge. Out of curiosity, she went to look. Oh yeah, you guessed right, it was a rainbow. She had heard people telling that always to the other end of the rainbow there is a pot of gold. And like you all and me, out of curiosity, she wanted to see the gold pot. So she started climbing on the bridge of the rainbow. Slowly she started climbing, climbing. Oh! She disappeared all of a sudden. My God, what must happen to the girl? Let's think. Now it's time to think. What will happen to Marina now? Children, think. Think. Yeah, somebody's telling she's lost inside. Somebody told she never came. She never came. Oh my God. So many answers children are giving. Let's see what happened. Slowly Marina disappeared into the rainbow and she started living in the rainbow very happily, always singing, dancing, jumping. So children, whenever rainbow comes, go see the rainbow carefully. You will see Marina dancing and singing. Now it's time for an activity. Today we are going to do activity from paper plate, that is rainbow. Of course today we are learning about rainbow, so we are going to make rainbow. Are you all excited? For making the rainbow, you have to take a paper plate, flatten it up, nicely flatten it up and fold it into half. Okay, now when you fold it into half, you can see a line. So take a scissor and cut the paper plate into proper half. So you will get two semicircles. Now make a small U from here and you cut it off. We don't need that part actually. Now, yes, okay. Now you have to make seven rows for 7 colors. Use your pencils to make 7 rows and you need to color it. When you color, see, I have made and kept for you all. See, isn't it beautiful? If you hang also, it will look so beautiful. Yes. Now, when you make 7 rows, you can color. Same color format of a whipped cure. I have shown you this whipped cure. So, violet should come down, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It should be in this format only. Then make 2 clouds and hang few threads and make small droplets of blue color and just stick it off. And your rainbow is ready. You can hang in your bookshelf and it will always dangle like that. You will be so happy to see. So whenever you make this, take your own time, make it and send it to your Rina teacher. Take photo and send. So it's our time to say goodbye. Bye children. Meet you for next section. Bye bye.